Hi guys, I am unboxing Nazro Pro 20. Let's see what's inside it. I'm ordered on Flipkart. As you can see, your material requires scissor or one cutter. I have no cutter, so I am using this scissor. You can use other instrument like knife also. Let's check it. What inside it? Let's check. I am excited. Oh, there are two types of packing sellotape, so I cut it. Easy peasy. Both I cutting. Now what's inside? It's okay. Oh, it's upper. Oh, it's address. Do not. Now as you can see, I cut it on inside, and now what's there? Do not accept it if the shipping label is torn. So this is shipping label. I don't know what can I do now. If I want to open this box, I have to torn. So let's see what can I do on other way. So I cut very carefully and calmly. Oh, wait a minute. You can do this also. આ લેબલ ફાટવાનું ને
એવું કીધું કે
લખેલું છે પણ
લેવ ધીમે ધીમે
so now box inside box, as you can see it. Now let's open Nazro 20 Pro Realme, ordered by Flipkart. અહીંયાથી આનો ખોલવું છે, આ સાઈડમાંથી મારને, અહીંયા કાતર મારને, પ્લાસ્ટિકની થેલી છે, હા ત્યાંથી કાતર માર તો પ્લાસ્ટિકની થેલી ફાટી જશે. As you can see, it's coated with plastic paper. I remove it. अरे निकली जैसे आइम ने पकड़ देखो as you can see, I remove this seal for opening the packet. मोबाइल में ध्यान दे, मोबाइल ना बॉक्स पर ध्यान दे. क्या सील जो अनपैक करो सही देखो
तो वाली बाजू रख दो.
now you can see this box. Oh, hey, welcome to Realme family. I get one phone, this charger. On return it's super alert. Someone is asking is patla? Yes, it's patla. What can I do about it?
पतला बो आवे छे.
As you can see, its screen is nice and
ये ऊपर ढाका मारो.
camera. This I don't know what happened. I think my video is not clear. Okay. Thank you. Now I start my phone. As one button on this side and voice button on this side. As you also can see, I get cover with it. I think it's complimentary phone. Cover order करा तो. I get cover also free from that. That is very nice. So for safety purpose, I put this mobile phone on inside the cover, and after I start the phone to see what inside it. Knock cover ma to knock. Put in cover. हाँ. Oh, it's looking so nice. I also get a key, but after I used key, first let's start the phone. Realme. Ta-ta! Now I want to select the language. Let's see. Catalia, Castina, Dance. Well, bro, I'm only selecting English. It's just for fun. English, United States, and as you can see, I did next. What is this sign for? I don't know. Oh, accessibility. The following setting will be affected until you change them. Okay. The setting will only affected until I does not change it. Okay, next. Now your personal data will be processed in accordance. So okay, I done next. Now there is Wi-Fi's name here. It so let's see. Okay. So here I joined my Wi-Fi and I type my password and I joined it. So as you can see, my Wi-Fi name is Jai Shri Ram and it's connected. Now next. Okay, I agree. Switch to mobile networks. I done then afterward next. Now it's checking update, so it takes some times in installing update which are already inside it. So let's wait for 1 minute. I don't think it takes 1 minute, but it's just for take near 1 minute time for updating. Now until it's taking updating time. Oh, copy app and data. Copy app and data. I don't want or want it. I just done next. I don't want to copy here now. I done it afterward. A backup from Android phone use copy data wirelessly. A backup from cloud iPhone devices, I say don't copy. Checking for updates. Now checking information. When you just unbox your phone, here is a tip: you can check voice also. There, it may be the mobile phone of your is okay, but there is problem inside the volume which we does not know now until you check it. After checking, you get to know, and it's maybe I just don't want to sign it, so next I skip this content. I also skip this. I don't want to sign in now because my phone is new. If there is problem on my phone, so I can change it, so I does not change all, update and install it. I just accept. Now this is my home screen and setting. Password you want to know. Now password for here starting, I just simple put 1 2 3 4 5 6, so is common. After I change it is just for checking purpose. Enroll face, no, I don't want to enroll face my now. After I done it, I just skip this process. Fingertip, okay. Oh, now that's interesting. Older phone, it's backside on fingerprint scanning. Here it's on this button. Continue. Place sensor finger on your okay. Now you can see processing. Fingerprint complete and continue. The next process, important data later. Welcome. So my phone is officially start. Okay, get started. Oh, now my phone is start. Your phone, tap here for migrate older data. I don't want to here now. I just want to go to setting and change it. I think he's oh, camera features is different. Each phone has different. I have already pre-installed Google Do. As you can see, older phone, this feature is not available. You want to install on your phone. Now I'm going to settings. Sign, as you can see, just go to last. I want to go about phone. Here get your all information and software update system. As you can see it detecting new version available of Android 10. You want to download now 570. No, I don't want to. Unboxing it now. Thank you for your watching this video. If you like my video, please share and subscribe, guys. Now Redmi Nazro 20 baseband and kernel version 1.0, Android version already 10, RAM is 8 GB RAM, guys.